Where does the fertilized egg typically implant and develop in the female reproductive system? The uterus is the muscular organ where a fertilized egg implants into the endometrial lining to develop into an embryo and eventually a fetus. It provides the necessary protection and nutrient exchange via the placenta throughout the gestation period. What is the purpose of retting in relation to flax plants? Retting is a controlled process that uses moisture and bacterial action to rot away the cellular tissues of the flax stem. This process is essential because it loosens the pectin that binds the valuable bast fibers to the woody core of the plant. Retting is a separation process and does not directly increase the inherent strength of the individual fibers. Seed extraction, or rippling, is a separate mechanical process that usually occurs before the retting stage. Flax is primarily grown for its fiber to make linen or for its seeds, linseed, and retting is not a step for food preparation. What are the fruits of leguminous plants called? The fruit of a leguminous plant is specifically called a legume, which is a simple dry fruit that develops from a single carpel and usually dehisces along two sides. These plants are vital for nitrogen fixation in the soil due to their symbiotic relationship with rhizobium bacteria. What do viroids cause in plant cells? Viroids are small, infectious agents consisting only of a short strand of circular, single-stranded RNA without a protein coat. They are known to cause various diseases in plants by interfering with the host's normal growth and development. What do plants produce primary metabolites for? Primary metabolites are organic compounds like carbohydrates and amino acids that are directly involved in the essential physiological processes of growth and reproduction. These molecules are indispensable for the basic survival and maintenance of the plant's life cycle. What are nitrogen, N, phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, collectively called in the context of plant growth? Nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium are known as primary or principal nutrients because plants require them in large quantities for growth and development. They are the main components of most commercial fertilizers used to enhance soil fertility. In what form do plants and animals release carbon into the atmosphere during respiration? During cellular respiration, glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to release energy, with carbon dioxide produced as a metabolic byproduct. This gas is then expelled into the atmosphere by both plants and animals to maintain the carbon cycle. What term is used for plants that are a main source of food for human beings? Food plants are those species specifically grown and harvested to provide the essential nutrients and energy required for human survival. They include a vast range of crops such as cereals, pulses, fruits, and vegetables that form the foundation of our diet. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.